thumbnail. Anyway, today's video is going to be on me showing you how I'm going to cut down my yoke just a smidgen. And I don't recommend for anybody to do this because a lot of math goes in this. Your yoke's got to travel and you make it too short, it'll fall out. Same as if you lift your truck too much and don't extend your yoke, you know, the wind travel can cause that. But I'm going to show you how I do mine. The reason I'm doing this is, if you can see, this drive shaft got tossed and my yoke is damaged right here, and it will no longer go up onto the shaft, so we're just going to cut off right here. Now if you're trying to get yours level, you can take a clamp this on it and just cut on the edge of the clamp. I'm just going to cut right here on the edge of this bevel. That should give us plenty of room to get that damage tuck off there. This is a full splined shaft. Note that if you got a countersunk shaft or splines don't go all the way back, then you cannot do this. So let's continue. Always wear safety glasses before doing this. So now that we got that cut, I'm going to take just a sandpaper disc and I'm going to go around here and bevel this back kind of down just a little, kind of like it was factory. It's more cosmetics. You don't have to do this part unless you want to, but I'm going to. So this is the finished product. That's a little bevel. I could bevel it more, but that's pretty straight. Looks pretty good. Shouldn't affect it none. So we're going to go ahead and install this. And that's how I pretty well fixed the bent portion of this yoke. You could have replaced this yoke for around $125, but by doing this we saved $125. And you know, maybe you can get away with this too if you need to shorten your yoke just a little. I don't recommend it. If you want to try to do this and you don't know the proper travel distance and stuff, you will need to take it to a driveline shop and get your drive shaft shortened, or maybe your yoke shortened. And as I said, if you want a good straight line, tie your clamp onto it, cut right down beside the clamp. So now I'm going to go ahead and try to stick this in, and hopefully it fits. Let's see. And this was the damage I was talking about. You can see how bent this was and why we had to cut it. So it's installed. It fit perfect. It wasn't even going on before. The yoke didn't sacrifice much of its length. My splines actually come all the way to here. So and the main beginning of it is here. It's a super long yoke on this truck. But yeah, it turned out good. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment. And as I said before, I don't recommend doing this because a lot of math goes into it, because as your wind moves, it goes backwards and forth, your flip yoke does. And yeah, take it to a driveline shop, get your drive shaft shortened or your yoke shortened. So stay tuned for more helpful how-to videos. Don't forget to show your support for my channel by smashing that subscribe button. And thank you for watching.